Welcome back to RawSangan. So today we're going to do a massive pack opening. And what you see here in this table is over $600. So it's going to be a great New Year's.
It's so goddamn hard not to laugh and fuck that whole shot up.
It's time! Let's go!
Okay, so as you can see, we have a lot of stuff to cover right now. So on the little, like the Chaos boxes, like the older ones, we got 2 little figurines, the baby dragon. On the mystery boxes, we got 3 blue eyes white dragon. So, and everything else is what you see. And also, if you guys want to see what the PS10 gray card is, we don't know what it is yet, but we're gonna do that last. So make sure to watch all the way through.
Is this one of these? Oh no. We got like that though. Alrighty. Hard cycle over there.
So, you guys gonna help me?
Yeah.
Right.
So we open
Josh. So right now we're gonna let's open up Spirit Warriors. There's only like there's 3 of us, so
trash, dude.
okay. So that's like a $14 card right now. So not too shabby.
Where's your secret?
All right, so look, we're not too bad. Okay, let's open up this Duelist packs. So the cards here we're going after are the OT Pot of Greed, OT Crush card, and OT Chaos Dragon. Huh?
Poor boy. Kaiser glider.
Okay, that's not bad.
Kaiser Seahorse. Paladin White Dragon. Wait. Seas Dragon King. Hang on a second. Oh, alright.
Oh, okay.
No,
That was the rare. Sorry, how did you guys spend your New Year's Eve?
Talking to me?
Fucking.
Talking to everybody who's ever listening.
I'm drinking. Alcohol.
Fun. Drinking, opening Yu-Gi-Oh. What else can you ask for?
Sex.
Definitely. Oh my god. One more.
All right, so we didn't. Oh, White Stone. So we didn't pull the Crutch card or any of the OTs, but you know what? We still got this terrible Duelist pack Yugi.
Holy hell.
So we're just gonna open up this really quick,
Marshmallow.
so you guys have a good
Is there
understanding.
anything relevant in this pack?
The only thing relevant here is the Dark Paladin, so that's like literally like less than $10. So this is probably the worst set they probably have created, in my opinion.
What's about magic? Is the worst one ever?
The chase card is $10.
Yes.
Dope.
They could have made Dark Magician like an Ultra, a Secret, or something, but no, they made it into a rare.
I got that. And these.
That's 10 cents, bro.
There you go.
Oh, someone pulled the Dark Paladin.
Just got that something.
That's definitely meta relevant.
It's going right in my deck right now.
Mirror 4. See, why couldn't we pull like this on the Duelist pack Kaiba? Man, I have terrible pulls. I pull all rares.
We got like one other super, 1 or 2 supers. trash, dude. It's so bad. I'm insulted to open these.
Exactly, that's why we just open it right away. Man, I just been pulling all rares.
Yeah. We got like one of the all rares, so. The cameraman wants a beer.
Beer me, fats!
There you go.
Want to do it so bad.
Oh, well, I've got my non-first rare, Dark Magician Girl.
Somebody's always excited about that.
Oh, and Summit Skull. I think we pull every single holo in this set. Alright, so let's open up these Duelist Pack Dimensional Guard. I know there's another one. Oh, there it is. Wow, right now we are nagging pretty hard.
Really?
$600 well
$600.
spent.
What? We're having fun, alright? Right, guys? Right?
Imagine.
Alright,
What could this be? Is that Gay Guardian? Who knows?
dude, it'll make this.
Stay tuned until the end. What's in here? Anything relevant?
I'm not sure. Oh, well, I pull a crush card. It's not the OP, but hey.
Common crush card. Exactly what we wanted.
Which guys do you want to do next? Grab it.
Duel Power last. I knew Adam was going to say Duel
Duel
Power.
Powers? Well, Adam picked Duel Power.
No, save that. Do these shit ones. You know he's going to have a lot of fucking rares in it.
So, Invasion of.
Stay tuned for Duel Power.
Well.
Chinese invasion visions.
Oh, well, I pull a terrible super.
Spiral master plan.
Hey, someone pulled the Ultra.
There we go. Something.
It's not meta relevant, but hey.
Sick.
Let's do this Pendulum Evolution. That's actually not that bad. That's actually like, I think like $8 right now.
So Master Rule 5.
Master Roll 7. Oh, this one, I guess.
Pull this up. Chronograph. Is it coming back in January's ban list? Who knows?
Stay tuned to find out. Keep doing that all the time.
Alright, so we're going to open this single Destiny Soldier pack.
Sick.
Oh, nothing good.
Hell yeah. Exactly what I was
All right, what's next? What's next? Let's do this. Duelist, cold duelist, whatever.
for the duels.
English, man. One day I'll learn it.
Hopefully.
Oh, nothing.
Garbage.
Man, my pocket is just crying right now. Oh, let's do these gold 10 Mega 10 2019.
Yikes. Anything good in here? I have no idea.
The danger cards, Jackalope, Borrow Sword. Basically that's it. Oh,
Major Mothman, Thunder Dragon, something.
got a Phoenix.
What the hell is that? Red Reboot?
That's been printed like 3 different times already. Hey, that's actually a pretty good pull.
Dragon Roar, Danger Dogman, some DDD thing.
I feel like we're open up pretty good with these Mega 10s.
Not $600 worth yet.
Not, I wasn't expecting.
They were about $550 off. Thunder Dragon hers, Call by the Grave.
Hey, Call to the Grid. That's actually a pretty good card. $5. Hey, every penny counts, right?
At this point, yeah.
Please God.
We're counting pennies. How much is this common worth? Another Call by the Grave.
All right, you
Ultra.
call to the graves. We just made $10.
Yep. 590 left. Terrible, dude.
I feel like we pulled a lot of pretty good Thunder cards. I feel like we can build a Thunder deck with these.
No idea.
Let's open those promos. So basically, the cards we want to pull here are Nibiru.
Oh, okay.
That's a $10 card right there. No, no
Dimension shifter.
Nibiru.
Dimension shifter.
Oh, another.
Another dimension shifter.
Another dimension shifter. Wow, no Nibiru's. No Nibiru.
Wow.
Wow, you know, my $600 investment is looking pretty good today. Happy New Year's, guys. 2020.
Suicide on the horizon.
All right, let's do this Raising Rampage. Oh, Raising Tempest. See, English. Difficult. No hablo inglés. Can we pull a secret?
Dragon Caller Magician.
We pulled exactly the same super.
Yay.
Don't sound too excited.
Yeah, guys, let's get it.
Ah, Zodiac. Throw a blade. All right. Extreme Forces, guys.
What is good in here?
I do not know.
Oh, yeah, dude.
I don't make my research when I open these. Oh, hey, True Day. We pull. I think this is our first secret. Hey, we're actually putting 2 secrets.
Alright.
All right.
So far,
I
so
think-
good.
Dragons and Legends 2, guys. Come on. Ooh, we got quite a bit of these.
Alright, so
What's good in here?
anything rolling
Nothing.
in here?
I don't think the 2 cards, maybe.
The Claw of Hermos.
Did you guys enjoy the first season of Yu-Gi-Oh?
What the hell? Don't talk to me about that. Of course I did. Paladin of Dark Dragon.
Oh, we pulled 2 of them. Oh. I believe this is the money card of the Dragons of Legends 2, so don't know how much it's worth. Red Spirit, nothing. Oh, all right. Oh, hey, Order of Chaos, and I believe that's no. Oh wow, we still.
Quite a bit. Just terrible faction.
Wow, we forgot so many secret eternities. Whatever.
Whatever that pack is. Order of Chaos. Secret of Eternity. Fucking rare. Jesus Christ.
This was the best card on Duel Links for like a good year. I believe that was like the card of the year.
Organized Pendulum Dragon. That's it.
I feel bad for the cameraman's wife right now. She's gonna be cleaning all of this up. She is gonna kill us when she gets off of work. Her 2020 is gonna start with cleaning off the garage.
I hope she kills me.
All right, Order of Chaos. I believe there's a ghost rare in this set.
I believe it'll wind up Shark.
Baby shark, do do do
Oh,
do
God.
do do, baby.
That's on camera. That's for life.
Okay, I pulled a Ultra, and you pulled the Ulti.
Check the caliber.
What did you get, my man?
Oh wow.
You're a gangster.
Rust mist. Let's go stuff for that up.
Oh, see?
Open the last one.
All
Ghost
right.
rare.
Well, at least get us a better Ulti. Oh, and I got a rare.
Though.
Woo!
Pretty close.
All right, let's open up this 2017 Mega Pack.
There it goes. Where the money is.
Oh, that's actually not a bad card. And oh, okay.
Oh.
You guys see the buyout for Speed Duels Floodgate Trap Pull?
I did not. No.
Do you guys think it's a good buyout or a bad buyout? Let me know in the comments below.
I've never played Yu-Gi-Oh.
So you think it's a good buyout or bad buyout?
Bad, everything's bad.
All right, let's see what LB gets us. Oh, polymerization.
Okay.
Can we get a Blue Eyes? Can we get a Dark Magician?
Charmer Dragon.
Oh!
Sick.
Invasion of Chaos. Let's see. Oh, more rares.
Hell yeah, dude. Good stuff so far. Pretty worth the investment so far.
How much do you think I made back? Oh, hey,
Hey,
Great
that was-
Maju,
Hit
Big
again?
Bird.
Do it again? Zoom in dramatically?
Metal Raiders.
Should open this before the reprint, huh?
Yeah, but oh well. Sometimes we next, sometimes we plus. How much you guys think I made back? $100?
I'd say
$200?
at least 30.
All right. I don't serve it.
I have no idea.
Now we can buy more Keystone.
Man, we pulled all rares. Hey, we got a super, right? Super polymerization. Polymerization.
Alright.
Okay, so we got 4 Dark Crisis. Then after that, it's just bunch of
These.
Duel Power.
These.
No, we don't open those. They're all the same. Hey, Vampire Lord. Is the first hit? No. But hey, we got a secret, guys.
That's pretty good.
All right, can we pull a double secret? Double secret? No, we got another rare. Come on, more secrets. At least I need to make at least half of my money back, right?
Hopefully.
But it's not about the money, it's about the memories.
Well,
Hey, we spent New Year's opening $600 worth of Yu-Gi-Oh packs, man.
Or run up Keystone.
All right, so let's open up these legendary decks. Let's see what's in it. We're just gonna do a quick opening. Up.
well,
If I can get these open.
if you like.
Oh, I found a slit.
Oh well.
All right, so we're just gonna do this quick. Cause how long is this video? So, oh, Twin Twister. How long is this video?
Fuck you.
That doesn't give me a
Maybe
time
like-
frame.
Like 15 minutes, something.
Well, that's not bad. 15 minutes.
Short enough, how to be. Less than 20 so far.
I thought it was gonna be like a 30-minute video, but you know we've been doing this pretty quick, so
Trying to.
I think this is gonna take me the longest trying to get these things to open. Some people are gonna be like, "Oh, you're damaging cards," but oh well.
And then just decks. Like,
That's just cardboard, right?
yeah, exactly.
Hey, wasn't that like a price card one time? It was.
This card's not guaranteed.
No, they're all guaranteed.
Oh. Well,
It's one extra price.
I'm not excited anymore.
I was excited. Oh, he took the knife away.
Well,
You want to see me struggle?
I'm gonna open them. Oh, yeah,
Hey,
he's back.
yeah.
Well,
I'm too drunk for this, guys. I mean, I'm too juiced up. I don't know.
It's even nastier.
I'm not gonna take a cab to get more Keystone because we don't drink and drive.
You hear that, kids? Don't drink and drive. All right, so it's like a little hero deck. Okay, let's do this fast. All right,
I'm falling asleep.
I was too. Okay, back to the dual powers. Okay. Are we gonna pull impermanence? You know, we have
So what
pretty
are we
good
chasing? Permanents?
impermanence. We have pretty good luck with dual powers.
Anything else with like a little bit of value?
All we want is impermanence.
Well, I didn't get it, so these are trash. Crushing my hand.
Hey, Heretic Seal, $5. Ho ho ho. Oh, another. Oh, ho, ho, password. Woo, 10 cents. Hey, another password.
10 cents.
Master Roll. Oh, okay, that's a $10 card. See, we're making some of our money back with this set. Oh, evenly matched. Wow, we're actually really good with this set. But can we pull that impermanence?
That's your question.
Oh, another evenly matched. I'm 2 for 2. Back to back. All right. Impermanent. Oh!
Flip the table.
We should have got some sleeves, man.
Because, yeah.
All right. We got impermanence. I feel like we made like $300 at least.
It's about half, maybe.
Oh, another Nasher. Sucks is getting reprinted, but hey, $7. Still $7.
Bad. I'm gonna pull something of value one time.
I want another impermanence. Oh, Heretic Seal. Haha.
Another patch.
Hey, you should start playing Fluffles then. All right, so bless my pools.
It's the last pack.
Last pack.
Just have to reveal though.
All right, let's see the last pack. We're gonna pull that impermanence. Oh
There's a trap, too.
no!
There's a trap.
All right, guys, what do you guys think this is gonna be? Gate
Like, comment,
Guardian.
subscribe. Put it down in the comments right
What
now.
else
What do you
is
think
in
this
here?
card is?
Okay, so drum roll. Oh, it's a Time Wizard. Okay.
Wow. What?
This guy doesn't seem excited about. I am. PS10 Time Wizard. I wonder how much this is going for. All right, so if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, Adam wants me to open one of the promo packs. We all seen the promo packs in several of our videos, but you know,
Let's do one right here at the end.
bonus content, the bonus pack.
It's in that plate last time.
Alrighty. Hey, what does Baby Dragon and Time Wizard make? Pop question. Answer the question on my comments or something.
What? It's Thousand Dragon, dog. Come
Well,
on now.
surprise
Answer
is
for
Roy.
everybody.